If you want to create your own one-block Minecraft server using Aternos, here's exactly how you can do it step by step. First of all, open your browser and search for one block for Minecraft, preferably from a trusted source like CourseForce. Now, select a version you like and download the one block world to your computer. Then, head over to aternos.org and log in or create a new account. After that, click on Create a server to make a new server, and once it's created, click on your server name to open its settings. Now, look for the Worlds tab and click on it. There, you will see an option to upload a world. Go ahead and upload the one-block zip file you just downloaded. And while uploading, make sure to check the Force Upgrade option. This helps avoid errors when loading the world. Once the upload is done, go back to the Server tab and click Connect. Confirm by pressing OK and then simply press Start. And that's all. Your one block server is now ready to play. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.